Yes, my people, back again with another video. This is a weekly, obviously, update. Just wanted to touch over. I've only taken one trade this week because it was a red folder week, so it was a red news week. Took one trade, lost, so I decided to call it, to be fair, for the rest of the week. The trade we took was on AUD CAD. I think I've actually got rid of it, so it was something like this. So we've got the rejection off of this zone here, which I thought potentially offered news as well. We'd have a continuation to the downside. Stop loss was here, TP would have been a 1 to 2. So something like this. Unfortunately, yeah, didn't happen, didn't play out, and we hit stop loss. I still think this is quite strong bearish for next week. We just retested this zone again. Nice strong rejection, wick rejection here. Potentially to continue pushing, fill in all this fucking space down here. So we have to look into next week, see if we can potentially get on a short with this trade again, because I do like shorts for that. I'm going to pop in a picture now, so it'll be somewhere around here of the loss. Yeah, we learned from that. On to the next. Cool. So this is what we're going over for the week coming. Okay, so it will be the Saturday? It's 8th, 9th. Okay, so 9th, which is Monday of June. This is the charts we're looking at. GBP USD for the week, GBP JPY, USD JPY, and AUD CAD. GBP JPY for next week, we don't really have much at the minute. I don't really see anything huge for this. To want to get in next week, potentially something like this. It already had a bit of a rejection here. If we could see something maybe continue to the upside, break these levels here. Yeah, if we can break these levels here, if we push up and then maybe retest this zone and then continue just going to the upside, we'll look for something like that. Maybe with GBP USD. GJ, we're still trading within the low here and the high here, so not really too much going on. I don't think I'll be placing a trade on GJ next week unless we get a bit more information on what's happening. We're just consolidating within this zone at the minute, so it's not something I really want to get into. USD JPY, pretty much similar, just consolidating within this zone, this low here and this here. Obviously we've got this as the high, so we did have like a head and shoulders pattern here, as you can see. Left head, right shoulder. Missed this trade, unfortunately. This was too big of a candle for us to get in on this. Nice push down. It's coming back up now. Potentially retest off of this zone and continue to go down and maybe hit these sub lows. So we might look for shorts. And AUD CAD, already been over it. Beautiful setup here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On it around EMA, 7, 8 touches on this zone. If it does break, potentially go back up again, but I don't think so. So I'm looking for some sort of shorts all the way down into these levels potentially. Daily time frames looking quite nice as well. See, fucking around this zone here, we get a nice short to the downside, fill in some of this range here that I did last time. We're looking comfortable. So that's the pairs for the week. Probably looking for trades on GBP JPY to the upside, USD JPY to the downside, shorts on the potential of this zone, and then looking for shorts on AUD CAD off of this zone also. So that's what we're looking for this week. Obviously the week previously you had the results, we took a loss, one trade loss. Come back next week and see how we do. So peace.